Hey guys, as a C5 enthusiast, you already know that the C5 is a beautiful car, but even the prettiest girl can benefit from a little bit of makeup. Next.
Toys4Life.
Guys, if you happen to catch my Toys for Life Christmas video, then you saw exactly how I stole the presents right out of Santa Claus's sleigh. Well, the first present I got was this 7-inch polishing kit. Now I gotta admit, I'm a little bit intimidated by this thing, and it's gonna take a little bit of research and practice on something else before I try it on the C5. All right, for the second present we've got, it is nothing other than the exhaust plate. Now, I realize I'm one of the only people on the face of the planet that doesn't have one of these. Everybody's got one of these, and for good reason, because they really look good from behind the car. Now, I took a chance on this part on Amazon because the reviews were really good and the price was right, and I'm glad I did because it's a quality piece for sure. It's sold by Custom Install Parts, and you can purchase it on their website, custominstallparts.com, or if you prefer, you can always purchase the Custom Install Parts C5 exhaust plate on amazon.com. Now, you do have to do a couple of quick steps to assemble everything, but they do it that way so it doesn't get scratched before you get it. It's a piece of cake. We'll walk through that next, and then we'll put it on the car. Okay, the way this comes, it's two pieces. You got the emblem, and you've got the stainless plate. It comes with the protective covering so that the surface doesn't get messed up before it gets to you. And I would say that's pretty much a mirror finish. So next, it's up to us to lay this out the way we want it. I'm gonna mark this because the marker will come off real easy. Let's see if I can put this on without messing it up. And grace has never been my strong suit. I'm not sure if it's perfect or not, but I know it's pretty close. Now I'm just going to get rid of the red. For that, I'll just use a little bit of wax and grease remover. Now guys, when I received my exhaust plate from Custom Install Parts, I was so impressed with the quality and the price that I reached back out to the company, and they've agreed to supply me with 4 more so that I can give them away to you for free. So stick around for the rest of the video and I'll tell you exactly what you need to do to have your chance of winning one of the 4. The Max Jacks currently is in use, so I'll just put the C5 up on the custom ramps that I made specifically for the C5. If you're interested in building a set, I'll include a link in the upper right hand corner. I've got a confession to make. I've kind of neglected my exhaust tips, and so as part of the exhaust plate install, I'm going to clean them up good. First off here, I'm starting off with some acetone to kind of eat away at some of that carbon buildup and soot that's on them. You've got to work it, but it'll take the carbon off and it'll clean them up real nice. And now I've moved on to some Finesse It 2, which is a polish. And I'm not trying to get these perfect. You'd be surprised at what, 10 minutes once or twice a year. Helps shine them up, looks a lot nicer. All right, the final step here, use a little wax and grease remover. Just make sure these mounting surfaces are 100% clean of any sort of debris, otherwise the tape won't stick. I've got some tape down here as a straight line guide. Remove the protective tape. Cross your fingers that you don't mess it up. Make sure you've got it right side up. Get it as straight as you possibly can. Best I can tell, that's nice and straight. So now we just need to get a cloth and polish my fingerprints off of it, and that looks good and straight to me. Here's a quick look polished up, but we got to get this thing outside and get some natural light on it. So I'm incredibly pleased with the quality of the exhaust plate from Custom Install Parts. Again, I want to thank the guys over there for providing 4 more so I can give them away to you. So here are the official rules. Number 1, if you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. Number 2, if you like the video, hit the like button below. And then number 3, go ahead in the comments and include the word exhaust plate and a short sentence or two on why it would look good on your C5. The contest starts right now. It ends each day at midnight. And so the next day, for 4 days, I will look back at the previous day's comments and I'll pick one using my sole discretion that I like best. Or if we get a ton of applicants, it'll be kind of a random thing. So good luck to everybody. I'll put official rules in the description in case I miss anything here in this video, which I'm sure I will. So good luck and enjoy. I look forward to the next 4 days of giving back to you with custom installed parts, these pretty cool exhaust plates.